welcome back on my channel Nutan Online Study. So today we are going to see how to make lesson plan format, and I have already uploaded many lesson plan, whether it's English, Hindi or Maths. If you want lesson plan, you can check it on my channel. There you will get many lesson plan. But today our topic is digestion in humans. Okay, this is for class 7 and this topic is there in chapter 2 named nutrition in animal. Okay, so let's see how to make lesson plan. So first we have to write name of school, class is 7th, date, then subject is science, and our topic would be digestion in humans. And for previous knowledge, what we have to do is we have to write what student is already aware of, what student already know about. So here student already know how plants make their food, because they have already learned that in first chapter that plants make their food through the process of photosynthesis. So here I have mentioned that students know how plants make their food and how animals get their food. You can add more points into this, but I do not have space, that is why I do not write. Okay, so now so here in general aim. So in general aim, we have to write what is our intention or what we want to teach to students. So here we want to enable them to understand how body works. So basically we want to let them know how our body works. Okay, to enable them to understand process of digestion, means we want to tell them how digestion process works on our body. Okay, and for specific objectives we have to write as the same in general aim, like to let them know how digestion process takes place and in human body, means we want to teach them how this process, how digestion process works in our body. And for teaching aids, whatever teaching aids we are going to use, we have to mention here: chalk, duster, flex chart, model. Whatever teaching aid you are going to use, you have to mention it here. Okay, now we will move on to next page, and next page is introduction question. So for introduction question, as you already know that we have to frame a question, 4 to 5 question, and if you haven't watched the video where I told you how to make a lesson plan easily, you can check it on my channel also. Okay, now here the first question that we have to ask is, how do plants make their food? Then the student will answer that plants make their food with the help of photosynthesis. Second question we can ask is, how do we, means human, take their food or our food? Then they will answer that through mouth, through hand, whatever they will answer. So answer is through our mouth. So third question we can ask is, why do we take food? Okay, we have to ask question, why do we take our food? Then they will answer, we take it for energy, means we want energy and that is why we take food. Now that then student will answer this. Fourth question would be, how do food digest in body? So means we want to ask them that how digestion takes place in our body. So maybe they do not know the answer of this, that is why I have written here problematic. Then fifth question we can ask is, how do you know how this process, means digestion process, how do this process work in our body? Then they will answer no, because they do not know the whole process of digestion. So okay, so now here we will have to give our statement of aim, that student, today I am going to teach you digestion in humans. So this is our statement of aim. We have to announce the topic and after that we have to write it on the blackboard also. Okay. Now, presentation. So for presentation, we have to explain everything properly to students for 5 to 6 minutes. Here we have to explain our content. Okay. So here I have write that you can see this. Okay. We take in food through mouth, digest and utilize it. The food processed through a continual canal, it can be divided into. So here we are going to explain all this process. Buccal cavity, food pipe or esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. Okay. So here we have to explain one by one everything. Okay. So first we have to explain about buccal cavity. Second is food pipe or esophagus, you can call. Okay, so all this point we have to clear to students. I am not going to explain all these things because video will go very long. That is why you have to explain all the things properly to students one by one. Point to point you have to cover every point. Okay. Now, after explaining everything properly, we have to ask a question to students to know how much they understood. Okay. So for that we have to ask a question to students. Okay, so we have to ask questions to student also after explaining everything properly to know the level of understanding, to know how much they understood. Okay, so for that we have to ask maximum 4 to 5 question. Okay, I have added here 3 question only. You can add 4 to 5 question. First question would be, what do you mean by ingestion? What is how is saliva helpful in ingestion? What is the rule of esophagus? Okay, so like this we have to ask a question to students. Okay, so now let's move on to next part. Okay, next we have to stick some black paper for blackboard work here. This is the blackboard work that we need to write on blackboard also. Okay, so that to highlight the main points. So here you can see digestion in human means all the process I have write one by one. You can see that. Okay, so you have to write blackboard work also. Now second part, presentation. Okay, so here is the rest part of the process, like the stomach, the small intestine. Okay, large intestine. We have to explain them properly about all these functions. So we have to ask, we have to explain to students for almost 5 to 6 minutes so that they can understand the concept very clearly. You can see here, stomach is thick walled bag. It receives food from food pipe. Inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juices. So I have right here only main points. You can add few more points into it. Okay, so like this you can write all these things. Okay, now after this we have to ask a question to students. Okay, so here is our question that we are going to ask to student. What is gallbladder? What is villi? What is function of large intestine? So I have added 3 question only. You can add means 4 to 5 question here. And this is the answer that we expect from student. Okay. So like this we have to explain everything properly, and after that we have to ask a question to students. Yes, and here you can see a diagram also. We can make it on blackboard, or we can show chart to student as well, so that they can understand properly about the digestive system. Okay, so here you can see this. This is my, I have drawn this. Okay, vast diagram. So here is the blackboard work whatever points we think is important, we should highlight it and we should write it on the blackboard also. So here you can see all the things. Okay, this is stomach, small intestine, large intestine. So we have to cover all the points, all the main points. And okay, and this is recapitulation. For recapitulation also we have to ask students to ask question to students. 4 to 5 question we can ask to students. So here I have added 5 question. What do you mean by ingestion? What is role of oesophagus? What is gallbladder? What do you mean by assimilation? What is egation? Okay, so like this we can ask a question to student and student will answer that. Now come to our application and evaluation. So for application and evaluation we have to give fill in the blanks to students. We can give 4 to 5 fill in the blanks to students. Okay, I have added here 3 only. You can add 4 to 5. Okay, the working of stomach was discovered by dash is reddish brown gland situated in upper part of abdomen. The inner wall of small intestine have thousand of finger-like or outgrowth is called. So like this we can ask a question to student, and this is the last part, that is home assignment. So for perfection of knowledge, student will teacher will give home assignment to students. So this is our home assignment. Okay, so this was my lesson plan, and if you don't like my lesson plan, do not forget to like, share and subscribe it also. Okay, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.